time is here. We've finally got to actually doing the Mazda MX-5 engine today. Finally, it's only taken me, what? I think I've had the engine in my garage for about a year or something. I finally got the time to crack on with this. Yeah. Finally got the time. Anyway, the reason for doing this is, well, one, I want the engine to be bulletproof so I can use it all the time. Like rev nuts off it, make stupid power. That's the plan. I've already told you all this, you already know. Again, sorry and apologies that everything is late. Also, check this t-shirt out. My other cousins from Somerset got it for me. Pretty fun. So I thought I'd wear it for the video because they've got some of my merchandise. Also, I've got merchandise now. There's a link in my profile. You can go have a look, purchase if you want. It'll help the channel and I can do more stuff like this. Right, crack on then, shall we? Also, I forgot to say the names, but thank you, Chloe, which I enjoyed the t-shirt. It means a lot. And big thank you to Ollie for helping me get this bad boy on his stand. Cool. And we'll get with all the electronics and shit off. We'll get all that off there. I think it pulls out. It does now anyway. Get rid of these little pipes. All them British roads. That's taking this little rifle off now. Go. Actually, yeah, that's that off. So I think I'm going to take these little bits off. These will come off with the rocker cover anyway. Oh shit. Oh, that's alright. I thought I saw some scoring on the lobes then. We'll leave that for a minute and we'll tackle these bad boys. Just like that. Basically brand new. There you go. well. Let's get this crank wheel off then. Here we are with this bad boy. Supply boy. Glove. Take two belt tensions off so we can get it off. Four. Alright then, I feel alright. Oh shit. Right, and then the belt just comes off. There we have it. Right, let's take these bad boys off. Don't forget to do these. If you're ever taking them off, take them off in a order from like middle, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, like just so when you're taking it off, if you do it from this end and then loosen them and take them out all the way to here, you'll end up bending your cam because all the pressure from the valve spring is pushing up against it. So it's better to do 1, 2, 1, 2, and then go. So we go from the middle. There we go. Beautiful. I'm gonna get these machined as well, so they're lovely and race ready. I look for is like scores as well. Make sure there's no scores. I think I'm alright. Yeah, like I said, this has been it was a track car actually, so there's no scoring, thank God. But yeah, it looks alright to me. It's very, very, very stained, the engine. Yeah, right, we'll take the spark plugs out, I think. Yeah. Actually, stuff to the spark plugs now. I'm gonna have to go make a brew and put my phone on charge because I don't buy the correct equipment. Go have a brew. See you later, engine. Whee! Mug. Where you get a mug from? Perfect. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, it's flashy. Look at that. Fantastic. Oh, yes. Look at that. All you want. Perfect. What? It's your tea bag. People realise, right? Put water in now. Water is in. Stir sugar in so it dissolves. Lovely. In the fridge. Grab some milk. Pop the tea bag in slowly. Milk is. Some magic happens when you stir it. Anyway, yeah, perfect brew, sorted. Right, we're back to it. So now we're going to take the head bolts off. I'm going to remove this as well. What else? I'm going to leave that on. I'll remove that later when I'm cleaning everything. Right, remove the head. Oh, I look tired. Jesus. And it's absolutely freezing in my garage. Again, with the head bolts, you want to crack them off like so, like in a pattern, so the head's like slowly coming up by itself, so it doesn't bend or misshape and anything. Right, moment of truth. Is this head going to be damaged? Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the state of it. Look at the state of that. Get this light over here. Look at that. Oh. Well, that's where my problem came from. The pistons look okay. They just look very used. Where's I say it was? I don't even know. That just looks knackered to me. That. It may look alright to seasoned MX-5 engine builders, but to me that looks knackered. I'm used to like pristine stuff, but like, well, I'm used to pristine machine metal, so this to me looks horrendous. Yeah, that's the head off. Awesome. Right, we'll put that there. Also, this is a turbo I got for it. I mean, it's alright, it's super bloody heavy, but it's getting all reconditioned and putting some Garrett bearings in and stuff, so that's gonna be good. Over here. Hold that over there. Catch any stuff. Oh, that's gross. Missing. Pretty sure it's not, but I've bent it now, and obviously that's supposed to run with the things. I'm going to see if I can get these two 10mm off here, and then get this sump off. I've probably knackered it, but for God's sake. Anyway, let's see. Why is that like that? Ideally, that should not have been attached to there. But it was. There you have it. If you can see it, we've got all the pistons, yeah? Oh my god, this is horrendous. Right, let's take these pistons out. One pistone. Pistons are out. Absolutely shocking. Here we go. Strip down to the bed. There you go, guys. There you have it. Sorted. Down to its crankshaft now, which is cool. I'll probably clean it a bit more than this, get all the stuff around it, but like tonight it's absolutely freezing. These are your bits, look, pistons. I'll show you what's going in it. So we've got these lovely low compression pistons. There's plenty of room in there to get the fuel in. These are from the Mazda V6, I think. I can't remember. But yeah, these are, look at the comparison. That's like got not much dish in it, and then this has got all that in it. It's got loads. That's the pistons, max speed com rods, all my gaskets and stuff in there. And there's a big turbo over there. That's all gonna get reconditioned. It looks like shit now because, well, it's like probably fourth hand, I would have thought, but you know, as long as you can fix it, we're all good. And yeah, anyway, thanks for watching the video. Also, the link in the description for my merchandise. If you really want to watch the channel grow and you like me and stuff, then please follow my Patreon. If you want to, you know, donate money or become a Patreon, that'd be great. There's a link in the back description for that as well. Also, the paint is finished. I don't know if I told you. Yeah, she's all finished. I've paid for it, and I'm just waiting on to get a garage to put it away, and then we'll go to the parts. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, I don't have sponsors anymore. You know, never mind. Oh well. But Red Bull. I'm joking. I'm joking. Right. Yeah. So yeah, she's all gonna get cleaned up, machined down. That's gonna get all machined, flattened. I'm gonna send this into a big machine clean. I might take that out and get a forged one. I don't know yet. I'm not sure. Well, it depends on if my channel goes pretty well. If my channel goes well, I'll get loads of stuff. Sorry for the mess. It is my garage. But anyway. Yeah. What else can I say? Yeah. If you wanna buy the merch, that'd be great. And yeah, I guess thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, give it a like. If you didn't like it, I mean, don't dislike it. Maybe just put in the comments, say what I did wrong. That'd be great. And then, yeah, awesome. See you guys later.